Here we have a truly remarkable phenomenon, one that brings a quiet joy to creatures great and small across the globe. It is, of course, the simple yet profound pleasure of ice cream. It is a language of happiness understood by everyone, from the smallest child with a sticky chin to the wisest elder enjoying a moment of sweet reflection. There is something almost primal in our shared affection for this frozen delight. Its very presence seems to lower the temperature of our worries, offering a brief, cool respite from the heat of the day. Observe the gentle anticipation that builds when one merely mentions its name. This part is cool, literally. Every great story has its cast of characters, and the story of ice cream begins with a gathering of the sweetest companions. First, we observe the main protagonist, the cream. Ah yes, a rich and luscious liquid, the very soul of our creation. Paired with it is its loyal friend milk, which lends a lighter, more refreshing quality. Next to arrive on the scene is the bringer of joy, the sugar. This fine crystalline substance is the architect of sweetness. Here we might see the noble vanilla bean, its dark, fragrant seeds speckling the creamy white canvas like tiny stars in a milky sky. Or perhaps it is the rich, earthy cocoa powder, promising a journey into deep chocolatey bliss. Now the real magic begins. The assembled ingredients are gently introduced to one another in a large, gleaming bowl. A whisk enters the scene, and with a series of gentle, rhythmic motions, the process of unification commences. The first stage of transformation requires a bit of patience. The base must be chilled. This is a crucial, quiet step. It is here that the vanilla truly infuses the cream and the cocoa fully blossoms. And now for the most active part of our journey, the churning. The chilled base is poured into the heart of the ice cream maker. This remarkable machine begins to turn slowly and steadily. This is, without a doubt, the coolest part of the process. As the churning process nears its conclusion, we enter a phase of delightful embellishment. Maybe it's the sharp, sweet burst of chocolate chips. They're gently folded into the soft, semi-frozen cream, creating a wonderful tapestry of textures and flavors. The sight of a river of caramel or a swirl of raspberry sauce being drizzled in is, honestly, a truly beautiful thing. Each stir and fold is a deliberate, careful action, making sure there's an even distribution of joy in every future spoonful. Once churned and filled with its chosen treasures, the ice cream is not yet fully complete. It's carefully transferred to a container and placed in the coldest part of the freezer for a period of hardening. This final rest allows it to firm up completely. And then the moment of triumph. The container is removed from its icy slumber, the lid lifted to reveal the finished product. A sturdy scoop is plunged into the firm surface, and with a gentle, scraping sound, it carves out a perfect rolling sphere. The sight of that first scoop, with its clean, curved edges and beautiful, textured surface, is a reward in itself. It might be a single, perfect scoop in a simple bowl, its surface just beginning to glisten as it meets the warmer air. The first taste is always a moment of quiet reverence. The cold spoon clinks softly against the bowl. As the ice cream touches the tongue, it begins to melt, releasing its carefully crafted flavors in a wave of creamy, sweet bliss. This entire process is a gentle reminder of the joy found in simple things. Making ice cream is an act of love, a quiet and meditative practice. So the next time you find yourself enjoying a scoop of your favorite flavor, take a moment to reflect on its humble and beautiful journey. It's more than just a dessert. It's a small frozen pocket of joy, a momentary escape. And now, if you'll excuse me, I believe there is a bowl with my name on it. It seems a fitting way to celebrate our discoveries.